Khalifa. La, 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 la. Oh, David, you do realize you missed Christmas, right? What? But you're just in time for New Year's. Yay! Yeah, but it starts in 10 minutes, so 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, yay! But I thought you said it starts in 10 minutes. Shut up! No! Yes! No! Yes! No! Yes! No! Yes! So, David, what's your New Year's resolution? To fly! Mine is to post videos more frequently on our first channel. Well, Angry Birds, what are your New Year's resolutions? Mine is to wear the hat more.
Mine is to wear the hat more, man.
Mine is to wear the hat more.
Yo, man, mine's wear the hat more. Guys, you know you can't all have the same resolution, right?
Yo, well, I guess mine would be blow up more. You know, because I don't do that much. No, I don't.
I guess mine will be less sad. Will be less sad. Cause sad is sad.
Yo, man, I'm gonna be faster, way faster than I was before, man. I'm gonna be super fast.
I guess mine would to be less angry. Hey, get out of my shot!
Can you believe we've been sitting in one spot for like 2 months now?
Yes!
Hey!
Hey, Brad.
How've you been? How I've been? How I've been? I'll tell you how I've been. Ever since that stupid resolution on New Year's, my life's been nothing but a wreck. Since I couldn't get angry, the producers didn't feel like I matched the game anymore. So I was fired, and because of that, my brothers disowned me. Now since I was fired, I didn't get paid, and since I didn't get paid, I couldn't pay the rent, so you guys kicked me out!
Oh, yeah. I remember that. It was the one time of the year when we only moved.
David! No time for a flashback.
Hey, what about you? I've been on your YouTube account. There hasn't been any new videos. You guys didn't follow your New Year's resolutions. What happened?
Everyone knows you never follow your New Year's resolutions.
I'm gonna kill you guys!